Today we are playing with paint. Cassandra, how's that different from any other day? Valid question. It's not. So I haven't played with oil in a hot minute. I had to scrub the bejesus out of this because I left paint on it. I just used some Dawn dish soap and nail power. And I just painted my nails this morning, so I kind of messed it up. My bad. I bought this kit of water mixable oils, which I didn't even know it was a thing. Somebody mentioned it and I was like, what? I didn't know. So now I have to try it. So I bought this one. A lot of people on the interwebs talk a whole lot of crap because, God forbid, it's not traditional oils. And I think when you like to play with paint, it doesn't need to be traditional. It can be fun new things because that's the whole point of creating, right? Playing with new mediums, new tools, new colors, new whatevs. Ooh, I get brushes. That's exciting. I had to find my brushes. That's probably super loud, so sorry. Linseed oil. Reduces viscosity. Slows drying. To come with oil when you're allowed to mix it with water is interesting. Do we get instrucciones? I have oil paper, Strathmore oil paper. I love painting on paper. If you haven't noticed, if you're new here and you haven't seen any of my bull crap, trying to be PG here. I love paper. I used to only paint on canvases, and after a while you're like, oh, I don't have any more walls for canvases. That's a problem. So I switched to paper canvases. I don't even know what you call them. Let's call them paper canvases. No, we're not gonna read any of that. We're gonna put it down here. I'll read it later. Because I just wanna jump into play with it. Oil is really good about transferring on flipping everything. Your clothes, your table, your skin, your everything. So what I want to do, since we're just playing with it, is I was thinking easy peasy, lemon squeezy, sunsetty ocean vibes. The last oil I did was mountains with water down here. I love it to pieces. It's one of my favorites. It's also on paper. I could do that, but I kind of want to mix and smudge so I can get the feel, which is why I'm thinking ocean. I can just put paint on palette and then on paper and not sit here and think about it, since I want to just play with colors, because I want to feel the consistency. What do I want? I don't want those for sure. I was thinking pastels, like pastel ocean sunset. So I am so excited about new paint. This is a old yogurt or something. Maybe it wasn't yogurt, maybe it was something like custard. I have different supplies for oil because I don't want contamination. So what if we do a definitely feels interesting. See if you can feel it melt. I kind of want to do a blue. I know, I said I was gonna do a pink, and I didn't. I know. No, oh my gosh, look at that. I know, I could have used a different brush. I didn't want to mix with a bigger brush though, so here we are. Mm-hmm. I like how I say I'm gonna do an underpaint and then I don't. That's all right. I did wonder about this paper since it is oil paper and I'm putting water on it. Today's doodle, this month's fun doodle project. Ice cream is my favorite. So we're gonna hang this up and then we're gonna demask that guy. This is oil paint, so this is going to be drying for the next 2 years. Obviously I'm exaggerating a little, not by much, but a little. I should have been smarter and put it on a chipboard so that way I could just pick it up and move it. Because I was thinking of putting some more on here. I was gonna do some more highlights and stuff, but then I remembered I just did this for funsies to check out the new paint. So we're just gonna, oh, so satisfying. Untape this, hang it up so I could spend the next 2 years on the wall drying. Then we actually need to clean this. I haven't needed to do that in a while, but we don't want fun oil paint transferring all over the place. Definitely don't trust my fingers. Fun, nice, soft set, cool. Fun, soft sunset.